Some buildings fill space, others define it. True luxury isn't just seen, it's engineered. Every line, every detail, crafted with intention. Behind every exceptional space lies a process built on precision, expertise, and uncompromising standards. Only the finest materials, only the highest level of craftsmanship. Because excellence is never accidental. From foundation to finish, every stage is executed with discipline, care, and absolute attention to detail. A seamless process designed for efficiency without ever compromising on quality. The result, spaces that go beyond structure. Spaces that elevate lifestyle, comfort, and experience. Where architecture meets elegance and design meets purpose. Because true value isn't just in what you build, it's in what it becomes. Built with vision, defined by excellence. To Queen's Home Service.